Hi guys, Fred.Zent here from Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Coachmen Catalina 19TH. These are a rare find these days. It's under 25 feet. I think it's exactly 22 foot 8 inches. But come on inside, I'm going to show you this nice little toy hauler. When you come in, your ramp acts as a patio. You got a nice little gates, an exit. The cables will even hold me on this, but you come in here. This is for quads, motorcycles. This right here will fold down into a bed or a couch. You got a freestanding table. You got storage up here for helmets, gear. You got your Norcold 8 cubic foot refrigerator with a freezer. Then you got your entertainment center here. You got your TV, your CD with Blu-ray, Bluetooth capable. Got some storage up here and a little bit of storage in there. You got your stainless steel microwave, 3-burner stove, and an oven for pizzas. You got storage up here for paper plates, cups. You got a dual sink with a one-piece countertop, storage underneath. You got 3 full extending drawers. This is one's for silverware. Come on over here into the bathroom. You got a shower tub. And then come in here, you got a corner bed. Got storage above. Wardrobe storage on the side, and you also have storage underneath. Come on outside and we'll show you the rest. You got outside speakers, a nice power awning with LED lighting. You got a mount here for your TV. And then you got a couple 110 plug-ins if you want to plug your TV in, and you got a coax for your cable. You got a nice full pass-through for any extra gear you need to haul. In here you got 2 7.5 gallon propane tanks and a nice power tongue jack. Guys, if you want more information on this Catalina 19TH, give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent. My number is 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.